It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. It comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, engine auto stop start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, heated steering wheel, smartphone wireless charging, and turbo V6 engine. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.